Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep, wait a minute, this is not your prep for today. This is the mail call. Yes, your prep for today already happened today. So this is a mail call, and so I got a thing here from Joe at Garden State Gardener, and let me see if I can, using my handy dandy everyday carry utility knife, see if I can cut the envelope just right without cutting anything inside. And oh yeah, it worked. Perfect cut. And of course I got the congratulations from Garden State Gardener. And what do we got here? Solar Flare Lettuce. Cool. From Baker Creek. And Maribel or Mini Bell tomatoes. So I may be trying some of these here. And then tomato indigo pear drops. So that's what I get right here, so it focuses on it. You can see. So this is got a bunch of seeds in there. So I am presuming these are going to be cherry tomatoes as well. So that's what I got from Joe for winning on Fun Day Sunday. And if you guys aren't subscribed to Garden State Gardener, go over there, check him out. Every Friday or Saturday, he'll put out a registration video for the Wheel of Seeds and giveaways on Sunday for Sunday Fun Day. He goes live on Sunday at 5 o'clock my time, so 7 o'clock Eastern time. And he generally interviews a different channel every week for the first hour, and then the second hour he gives away a boatload of stuff. All right, so check out Garden State Gardener. Once again here, Garden State Gardener. And check it out. Maybe you'll win some seeds for your garden. All right, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound. There's some great emergency preparedness videos over there. In fact, we just did a live stream Monday, which you might be interested in, on as far as how to grow a garden in SHTF. But I'm going to put the link to that right up here, and then I'm going to put a link to a playlist for prepping for beginners and prepping in private, so you and your friends can get better prepared. Why? Well, this is why.